I've been frustrated with trying to pick up tiny amounts of spices. Quick disclaimer here. I received this product free to review. This set includes 12 mini spoons with 4 different sizes and designs available in 3 colors: gold, silver, and bronze. Not only are they functional, but their design adds a touch of sophistication and a touch of fun to your kitchen. Additionally, 3 of the spoons, one of each metal color, come with a chain attached, allowing them to double as stylish necklace pendants. How clever is that? Perfectly sized with a small rounded shovel, they effortlessly fit into the openings of small spice jars. They're also suitable for various occasions, from household use to lab settings. With a practical design, these mini spoons are a must-have addition to any kitchen, craft room, or workspace.